Relax that head. Yep, good.
When I first came in, I was having bouts of dizziness, lots of neck, shoulder pain.
You were dealing with that for a long time.
For years.
Years.
Yeah.
Yep. And then
They never got as severe as they did back a few years ago when I ended up in the emergency room with the dizziness.
yeah, a lot of tension. Big deep breath in. Yeah, blow it all the way out. Good. One more time. Good. Still making you dizzy when I press on it?
No.
Okay. Good. And we're gonna get up here too. Yeah. Just relax that muscle. Good.
That's the first time in a while that you've gotten your crack on the right side.
Yeah, keep doing that cervical roll.
Okay, good.
It's helping.
Good.
I can tell.